So today's recipe needs to start, well, it doesn't start with, but it needs some almond milk because I don't use dairy. And so here's how you make the almond milk. I started this morning about 8 hours ago. Just put a cup of almonds in a mason jar with, a bunch of fresh water on top of it. And you can see it's kind of all cloudy and nasty looking at this point. So I'm gonna strain that off and I'm gonna just dump it into the Vitamix, which already I've put 3 cups of cold water in. And then we're just gonna whiz it up. Watch. So here we are, 1 cup of almonds, 3 cups of water, and I'm just gonna set this up on about 3 to start with, and I'm gonna ramp it up to 10 pretty quick. We'll let that run for a little bit, maybe another 30 or 40 seconds. And there you have it, all done. I ran it for about 45 seconds, I think, on high speed on the Vitamix, and it's creamy, it's thick, it's delicious. Now, some people like to strain it or hang it in a nut bag and get all of the fiber out, all of the stuff that doesn't completely grind up. But I actually like all the extra fiber, so I always leave it in. And then when I go to use it, I get it out of the refrigerator, shake it up just for a moment, and I'm good to go. Hope you enjoyed this. Oh, and I needed this because I'm making cauliflower mashed potatoes, or cauliflower mash, to go on top of shepherd's pie for dinner today, so I'm pretty excited about that. Make sure you check it out.